So are you struggling with losing those last pesky 10 pounds? Well, in this video, we're going to be covering 4 genius tiny tweaks for weight loss coming up. Howdy, howdy, howdy. What is up, friends? My name is Melinda Reed here as the oil coach. And if you're new here, we share tips here on using essential oils as well as motivation, inspiration, or some great life tips. So consider subscribing and joining our oil coach family. And hey, at any time during the video, feel free to check out the show notes and links in the description down below, where I will be sharing some additional helpful resources. Now let's jump right into today's topic. So generally we're all about thinking big when it comes to weight loss. So that means considering the entire picture when it comes to what's stopping you from feeling great in your own skin. So in other words, it's not just about eating the right foods, but it's also about managing work stress so that your cortisol levels aren't spiking off the charts. It's also about getting enough sleep so that your body's ready to really work out when you get to the gym. And even cultivating healthy relationships with others, which often translates into a better one with your very own body. Still, when you're trying to drop a pesky 10 pounds, for example, and your progress has stalled, it can be really frustrating. And sometimes tiny tweaks for weight loss can really work. So think of these as just small edits that can fit into that bigger picture. They're all healthy, they're not gimmicky, and they're super easy to incorporate into your lifestyle right away so that you can feel like you're doing whatever it takes to look and feel like the awesome person that you know you are. So we're going to dive right into the 4 tiny tweaks for weight loss that are totally worth trying. And a quick thank you to nutritiouslife.com for these awesome tips that I'm sharing with you today. So number 1, start each meal with a full glass of water. Now, it may feel like a played out suggestion, but drinking water before you eat, it really fills you up and it slows you down. It also helps you figure out if your hunger is truly just truly hunger or if it's actually just thirst, which helps to prevent overeating. So number 2, get a TV watching hobby. Too many people pack on the weight because they eat mindlessly while they're Netflix binging. So try keeping your hands busy by knitting or doing a puzzle instead of delivering chip after chip to your lips over and over. And better yet, try using TV time as a chance to stretch out or foam roll. Number 3, incorporate steaming hot food into your meals. A secret of Eastern cultures is that they have hot tea and soup at every meal, and sometimes in between. This forces you to eat more mindfully, more like not shoveling the food in, since you'll have to sip slowly and pause often. And then number 4, eat the veggies first. So with a full meal in front of you, you may want your first bite to be the pasta, but instead eat the vegetables first. So if you fill up before the plate is clean, you'll have taken in more of the nutrient-dense, fiber-rich foods. All right, y'all, those are the 4 tiny tweaks for weight loss that I had for you today. A quick recap for you, and then an awesome bonus I have for y'all at the end. So number 1, start each meal with a full glass of water. Number 2, get a TV watching hobby. And number 3, incorporate steaming hot foods into your meals. And then last but not least, number 4, eat the veggies first. And like I mentioned, I have a bonus for y'all. So if you found these 4 tips helpful, I actually have 5 more tiny tweaks for weight loss. If you'll check out the description box down below, I'll link my email as well as my social media accounts where you can send me a message on whichever way you choose. Just tell me I want those 5 more tiny tweaks, and I'd be absolutely happy to share those with you for totally free. These are some awesome tips. I know number 6 is a really powerful one that I think a lot of people can get a lot of help from. And then number 7 is really just genius. So if you'd like to discover those 5 more tiny tweaks for weight loss, just inbox me and I'd be happy to send them over to you. Alrighty, make it an awesome week, y'all. Feel free to share this video with someone that would receive value from it. And don't forget, shoot me a message for those tiny tweaks for weight loss. Take care, and we'll talk soon.